Hello and welcome to our third video on the Universe for Windows and Mac product. In this video, I'm going to take you through the main differences between Universe for Windows and Mac and the Universe Selfcare portal. So let me just give you a brief overview quickly about the differences, the key differences between the two. I personally like to think of the Universe for Windows and Mac app as a device, so as a phone basically. It enables you to make and receive calls over the internet with your computer. The Universe Selfcare portal is a little bit different, and the main reason it's different is because it kind of is the back page, the admin portal, for your Universe account. So Universe for Windows and Mac is your device. It enables you to communicate with people, receive calls, make calls, access voicemails, and have some basic settings in there. But the Universe Selfcare portal is where you can access all of your wide range of settings for your Universe account. So simply, to get to your Universe Selfcare portal, you click on your face and then click Login Selfcare. Then it opens up the Selfcare portal and it asks you to put in the information to log into Universe. So as you remember from our first video, this is the information that you were sent from Universe with your account credentials. So for me, I'm just going to autofill and log in. And then once you're logged in, you're presented with a user view. Now, there's a series of other videos on the Firstcom YouTube channel which go really in depth into what you can do with the Universe Selfcare portal. Everything from IVRs through to actual user management and things like that. In this video, because we're specifically talking about the Universe for Windows and Mac app, I'm just going to take you through some of the settings that are relevant to the Universe for Windows and Mac application. So, you've got voicemail with Universe for Windows and Mac, but when you click voicemail within the application, all you're presented with is your existing voicemails. Within Universe, what you can do is click on Services, and then you're presented with voicemail settings. So this is where you're able to customize the settings for your specific voicemail greeting, as well as the settings of whether you want to use voicemail, send an email every time you get a voicemail, so receive a notification every time you receive a voicemail, and then send files as attachment as well. So files as attachment, what that does essentially is every time you receive a voicemail, not only does it save within your Universe for Windows and Mac application for you to listen to, it's also sent to you with the email notification. So it gives you the option of listening to the voicemail within your email browser or within the Universe for Windows and Mac application. So simply, these are just tick boxes essentially. So you can just tick them on or off and you see there's a notification that says the setting has been updated. So here you can edit the voicemail settings specifically around you and what you want. On the right hand side, you've got voices. So this is for if you want an automated greeting. So you've got a series of voices in different languages for you to play when somebody leaves a voicemail. Or you've got this option here to change your voicemail greeting. So for example, you could do first name and company name, first name, or just no first name and company name and just please leave a voicemail. You've also got the option to select recorded message. Now for this one, what you can do is use the application to record a message on your voicemail client to be able to play that to people when they reach your voicemail. And if you want to turn that on, you literally just click recorded message and then save voicemail greeting. So that's a quick overview into voicemail and how you can edit that within the Universe for Windows and Mac application portal. So that's a quick overview to voicemail and how you can edit that within the Selfcare portal and the other options that you have within the Selfcare portal there for voicemail. The next key one for the Universe for Windows and Mac application is the phone book. You're unable to enter contacts into a phone book from the Universe for Windows and Mac application. So to add in those contacts, what you need to do is log into your Selfcare portal and then click on Phone Book. Here, you're then presented with a list of all of your contacts that are existing in the system, and then you've also presented with the option to add a contact in here. So if I click Create Contact, I'm then able to type in the information about my contact, type in their phone number, add multiple phone numbers if I'd like to, and then create the contact. Once created, they then appear within this list here and then automatically sync with your Universe for Windows and Mac application. If I wanted to delete a contact, all I'd do is simply select the Delete Contact button. This would obviously remove them from my Universe for Windows and Mac application, as well as my Universe account. You'll notice here that some of these are company contacts. Now, depending on your level within the organisation, if you're the admin for the system, you're able to log into the admin portal by clicking Swap to Administrator View. And in the admin portal, there's a similar interface for company contacts. So they're contacts that the company wants to be able to communicate with and give you access to communicate with as well. So essentially, they're the two main options that you can edit from the Universe portal. Like I said before, on this YouTube channel there's a variety of videos that are about the Universe Selfcare portal and some of the other settings that you can look into. So it's worth checking some of those out. Thank you for listening to me in this tutorial, and I look forward to speaking to you again in some of our other tutorials. Thanks very much.